Students do not take the time. They underestimate the kind of attention that is paid to these essays. Take a look at what the essays asks and deal with those issues articulately and honestly. At least two and sometimes three people read each essay I read them to make the final decision. And this is the case when the application goes through the admissions process. You have all of your reviewers there, but once it clears admissions, like the registrar, the transcript evaluator, those processes, it goes directly to the department, and that's usually a committee there, and it's a chair and maybe a few faculty members. And so all of the faculty members, I think, have to pass that particular application. And when there is a problem, sometimes you need two people might pass it, but one person might not. One faculty member might not. So that's why it's important, because that deciding vote is either going to say yes or no, and and um, and it's hard to know what they're thinking, but it's much easier if you contact them directly and just have a conversation with a potential faculty member you think you might want to work with to get a sense of how they think. They can't tell you what to put in the application because it will be biased, right? And I don't think they can really recommend you unless you are a student who used to attend there and you need a recommendation letter to the graduate program. That's what I had. But other than that, you are coming in as fresh, new to their eyes. That's why it's kind of important that you do reach out to faculty members, because by the time they get your application, they will be so familiar with you that they say, oh yeah, I know him. He's a good candidate for our program. I'm going to give him a pass. Sure, I think he'll be a good fit.